So far we learned about fertilization, implantation, maintenance of pregnancy. Next we are going to learn about the embryonic development. So after fertilization, that is fusion of male and female gametes, a diploid zygote is formed. Then during implantation, the blastocyst is implanted in the uterus. Next, once it is implanted in the uterus, it should be maintained. That is the maintenance of pregnancy. How it is maintained? It is protected by some extra embryonic membranes. Next, we are going to learn about the embryonic development. The primary germ layers serves as the primary tissue from which all body organs develop. What are the three primary germ layers? Ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. So, the primary germ layer serves as the primitive tissues from which all body organs develop. So, we learned already from the germ layers, tissues, organs are formed. Okay, so here first the ectoderm give rise to the central nervous system, that is brain and spinal cord, peripheral nervous system, epidermis and its derivatives and mammary glands. So ectoderm, one of the primary germ layers which give rise to the central nervous system, that is brain and spinal cord, peripheral nervous system, epidermis and its derivatives and mammary glands. Second one is the mesoderm, from which connective tissue, cartilage and bones, muscles, organs of urinogenital system, that is kidney, ureter and gonads arises. So from mesoderm, what are the things arises or develops? The connective tissue, cartilage and bones, muscles, organs of urinogenital system, that is kidney, ureter and gonads are the organs arising from the mesoderm. So we learned what are the organs developed from the ectoderm and mesoderm. Next one is the endoderm. The endoderm derivatives are epithelium of gastrointestinal and respiratory tract, liver, pancreas, thyroid and parathyroids. So next one is the endoderm, that is the third germinal layer, from which epithelium of gastrointestinal and respiratory tract, liver, pancreas, thyroid and parathyroids develops. So what are the three primary germ layers? Ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, from which all the organs develop. All the organs of the fetus will develop. Human pregnancy lasts for about 280 days or 40 weeks and is called the gestation period. What is gestation period? Human pregnancy lasts for about 280 days or 40 weeks and it is called the gestation period. It can be divided for convenience into 3 trimesters of 3 months each. So, totally 9 months. It is divided into 3 trimesters. That is 3 months each. It is divided into first 3 months, then 4 to 6, then 7 to 9. It is divided into 3 as 3 trimesters. The first trimester is the main period of organogenesis. The body organs, namely the heart, limbs, lungs, liver and external genital organs are well developed. So in the first period, that is the first trimester, where organogenesis of the body organs, namely what are the organs are formed during the first trimester, that is first 3 months, heart, limbs, lungs, liver, external genital organs are well developed. By the end of the second trimester, the face is well formed with the features, eyelids and eyelashes, eye blink, body is covered with fine hair, muscle tissue develops and bones become harder. So from what is the second trimester, that is 4 to 6 months What are the features are formed? The face is well formed with features, eyelids and eyelashes, eyes started blinking, body is covered with fine hair, muscle tissue develops and bones become harder. The fetus is fully developed and is ready for delivery by the end of 9 months, that is the third trimester. So during the third trimester the baby is fully developed, the fetus is fully developed and it is ready for the delivery. So hope you understand this. Human pregnancy lasts for about 280 days or 40 weeks and it is called the gestation period. Again, this gestation period of 9 months is divided into 3 trimesters. What are they? First trimester, second trimester and third trimester. In the first trimester, organogenesis of the body organs, namely heart, limbs, lung, liver and external genital organs are well developed. By the end of the second trimester, the face is well formed with features, eyelids, eyelashes, eye blink, body is covered with fine hair, muscle tissue develops and bones become harder. By the end of the third trimester, the fetus is fully developed and it is ready for delivery. During pregnancy, the placenta acts as a temporary endocrine gland and produces large quantities of human chorionic gonadotropin, human chorionic somatomamotropin or human placental lactogen, estrogens and progesterone are essential for a normal pregnancy. So you know what is the function of endocrine gland? Endocrine gland releases hormones. So here during pregnancy, the placenta acts as the temporary endocrine gland and produces large quantities of human chorionic gonadotropin, human chorionic somatomamotropin or human placental lactogen, estrogens and progesterone. These are secreted by the placenta, which act as the temporary endocrine gland. So which are essential for a normal pregnancy. These hormones are essential for a normal pregnancy. A hormone called relaxin is also secreted during the later phase of pregnancy, which helps in relaxation of the pelvic ligaments at the time of parturition or childbirth. So one hormone named relaxin is also secreted during the later phase of the pregnancy. Later phase of the pregnancy, one more hormone is released. What is the hormone name? Relaxin. What is the function? It helps in the relaxation of the pelvic ligaments at the time of parturition or childbirth. It should be noted that HCG, HPL and relaxin are produced only during pregnancy. So what is HCG? Human chorionic gonadotropin. What is HPL? Human placental lactogen. And relaxin are produced only during pregnancy. When the person is pregnant means only these hormones will produce. What are the hormones? Human chorionic gonadotropin, human placental lactogen and relaxin. In addition, during pregnancy, the level of other hormones like estrogen and progesterone, cortisol, prolactin, thyroxine, etc. is increased several folds in the maternal blood. These hormones are essential for supporting fetal growth. So, apart from that 3 hormones that are produced only during the pregnancy, some other hormones levels are in. What are the hormones? Estrogen, progesterone, cortisol, prolactin and thyroxine, which is increased several folds in the maternal blood, that is the mother's blood. These hormones are essential for supporting fetal growth. So what is the function of all these hormones which will help for the growth of the fetus?